All right, it's Dr. RJB here, and I'm on day 23 of my 30-day challenge. Um, uh, Back on July 1st, I started doing a group of weightlifting exercises using barbell and dumbbells, 15 exercises in all, and I've been doing that every day for the last 23 days. I have 7 more days to go to finish my 30 days, and all I can say right now is thank gosh, because I'm getting really tired. I noticed that I was having a little bit of weakness problems with lifting the barbell, so I took another 5 pounds off of the barbell to make it easier. At this point, I've taken off 15 pounds off of my barbell. So you can see that this is the result of the effect of not taking rest days. When I was taking it a lot easier, I had been increasing the amount of weight I was putting on the barbell. At this point, because of the no rest days, I'm having to decrease the weights. Even light weights seem to give me a struggle. So that's kind of how it goes with these challenges. If you want to do them, it does kind of make the muscles sore, doesn't allow them to rest enough to be strong. So it's kind of that way. The whole idea for these things actually was an article I read online. It was talking about something called nuclear overload. What the writer meant by nuclear overload was the fact that he saw an increase in the nuclei of the muscle cells with training. And so he went for a training period where he did one muscle group and just worked that muscle group every day for a month to try to stimulate that muscle group to grow. There had been some research done that seemed to show that this seemed to work. One of his comments was that you shouldn't do this with certain exercises. And of course, I'm doing those exercises he said not to do the experiment with. He wanted you to do something like, say, just bicep curls every day for 30 days at a high level. Yeah, I do one of those too. He said, definitely not do squats. I'm doing squats. So I'm either a knucklehead or I know what I'm doing, so I don't know which one it is. We'll kind of have to see what happens after my 30 days. The whole idea is that after the 30 days is done and you start going into your more routine workouts, the muscles are supposed to grow faster. And like I said, we'll have to see that, whether that actually works that way. For me, it's just a matter of challenging myself to do something that is not easy. And like I said, I got 7 more days, so I'm pretty sure I can finish it. And then, like I said, after it's all over with and I start going back to normal rest periods, we'll see if the muscles do grow any better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show the exercises that I'm doing, and we'll let you kind of take a look at my workout. I have to move the camera back, so excuse me. Okay, so picking up the barbell here first, and we're doing the upright row with the hang clean position. Okay, I'm just going to do a few because I'm tired. And then finish the clean and move to the upright press, overhead press. And then Bring the barbell to the back and do the back squat. I open up the legs, by the way, make it easier for the hips. Okay, bring the barbell in front and down, and do the bent over row. And then barbell around the waist, bend over to the shin, and back, the Romanian deadlift. Okay, so we'll put the barbell down now, pick up the dumbbells, and I'm gonna do the arm curls, bicep curl. Okay, and then moving to the overhead dumbbell press. Bend over a little, do the side raise for the shoulders. Okay, side bend, which is for the flank muscles, and the torso twist for the abdomen. Okay, now I'm going to bring the bench out again. As the last two are the bench. Okay. Okay, skull crusher. Okay, and chest fly. Bring our elbows out to the dumbbell bench press. And dumbbells around the shoulders, and do the crunch with the dumbbells. Okay. And lastly, I'm going to pick up the barbell again and do the barbell bench press. Okay, so that's my series again. I've been doing that every day, and like I said, I'll be finishing on the 30th, so there should be about 1 or 2 more of these videos coming, and wish me luck to finish. Take care.